You cheater. Try that again. Go on the ground.
Well, I don't mean to brag, but,
Who's Craig Hamilton?
You don't know who Craig Hamilton is? He's like so tan. Legend has it that his tan is so deep that his bones are rich caramel brown.
His mother must be so proud.
Please, people, please. There'll be plenty of time to admire my body this weekend at my annual summer shindig.
Bella, remember my boyfriend?
Don't ever get handcuffs because my arm is bleeding. Ow, ow.
I don't think it's...
Wait, Bella, do you know my boyfriend?
No. Chucky.
My boyfriend's Chucky.
This party is for the pigment.
What is he? Who is he? Like, what's his nickname?
And your skin is as light and smooth as, well, as a baby's body.
What's his nickname?
It's time for another coat.
What? Oh. His nickname is Hooker?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Dance for me. Oh, okay.